study number 2505320.
With me, Zahra Violeta Putri Stefina with ID number 2508728.
With me, Maulana Muhammad Nabi with student ID 2508432.
With me, Rasma Aulia, student ID number 2511059.
With me, Gina Anggraini with student ID number 2521524.
So, we are going to interview people about conditional sentence with the topic Minister of Social Affairs. So,
Let's begin!
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
I'm gonna ask about quick question. Would you mind?
No, it's okay.
Okay, but before that, I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm Maulana Muhammad Mahdi. I'm major in social studies. What about yours?
Okay. Hi Mahdi, I'm Kevin Duru, and I'm Japanese language study.
Okay. One day, would you interest in being a minister of social affairs?
Okay. I could say that I'm less interested in becoming Minister of Social Affairs because I'm currently studying Japanese language education at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and I think I already have planned for my future related to Japanese. And I think that becoming a Minister of Social Affairs involve a lot of responsibility and sacrifice.
Okay, but what if you suddenly become a Minister of Social Affairs? What the first thing you will do for the country?
I would say that I'm focusing on the existing social issues and look solution for them. Besides of that, I would also improve my innovation to make the social life in my country run better and ensure that everyone feels better in social environment.
Hello everyone, today I'm here with my friend, and before we start, can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Zina Huwaina, but you can call me Ifti or Iftina. I'm from Indonesian Language and Literature Education.
Okay, Ifti, thank you for joining this interview. And let's start with the first questions. Are you interested in becoming a Minister of Social Affairs?
Yes.
That's great. If you become a Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do?
Okay, thank you. If I become a Minister of Social Affairs, I will help poor people, super people in need, and make sure social aid is given fairly. I will also improve education and healthcare for the community.
Wow, interesting. And why do you want to improve education and healthcare services for society?
Because education and healthcare are the important people's life. With the good education, people can have a better future, and with the good healthcare, people can live with the happier and healthier.
Hello everyone! It's a pleasure to have our guest speaker with us today. Before we begin, please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Rahma Aulia and I am from Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program or Major. It's a pleasure to be able to join in this interview today.
Wow, very excited yeah. Okay, let's start with the first question. If you were the Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do?
If I were the Minister of the Social Affairs, I would focus more on the improving the quality of human research through social education and skill training, especially for younger generation and underprivileged communities, so they can have a better life opportunities.
Okay, next question. What do you think are the biggest social challenges in Indonesia today?
In my opinion, the low quality of education and the lack of job skills remain the significant issues because they can increase the unemployment and social inequality.
Okay, last question yeah. So how can this problem be addressed?
The government must expand access to job training, provide support to underprivileged communities, and collaborate to school or social institute to ensure that education and skill are equally accessible.
Wow, okay, thank you Rahma for your time and insight today. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Gina.
Hello everyone, I'm here with my friend today. Before we start, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Yasmin. Nice to be in this interview today.
Okay, let's start with the first question. If you become Minister of Social Affairs, what will you do?
I would create programs to solve poverty and unemployment.
Okay, very interesting. In your opinion, what social problem needs the most attention today?
In my opinion, poverty and unemployment need attention because they can affect people.
Then how can they use social problems in society?
I think the government should create social problems.
Thank you for sharing time and for opinion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Zara Violeta Pristevina. I'm here with my brother. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Najib. I'm from Binus Bandung.
If you become a Minister of Social Affairs, what would you do?
If I become Minister of Social Affairs, I'll focus on helping people more fairly and making social aid faster maybe and transparent. Okay. I also support young people like us with better education, mental health support, and job opportunities. Basically, I want society to feel more cared and supported, not left behind like so many homeless in Indonesia, right? Okay.
Okay. And also, why is the role of Minister of Social Affairs important in society?
The role of Minister of Social Affairs is very important because they are responsible for like us helping people who face social problems. Who face social problems such as poverty and homelessness, right? And lack of education. The minister also helps improve the education. Maybe that's all.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for the answer.
Okay, see you, bye.
Okay, today I'm gonna giving an opinion about am I being interest of being Minister of Social Affairs. My opinion is I'm not that interest of being Minister of Social Affairs because I'm not that person who like to be strict by rules and responsibility for helping so much people. But if I'm being Minister of Social Affairs, suddenly I'm make some policy or rules that helps people that need it. Like I'm make some policy about giving knowledge about farming and the others like that.
If I became a Minister of Social Affairs, I would improve fair social assistance, protect vulnerable communities, expand mental health services, empower low-income citizens, and engage transparent and efficient public services. Thank you.
In my opinion, if I were Minister of Social Affairs, I would focus on equitable welfare, especially in the 3T regions. I would also improve and digitize data to ensure targeted aid and prevent mass use. I would also link social assistance with job training and small business support so that communities can become more independent and earn sustainable incomes.
If I want to become Minister of Social Affairs, focusing in poverty and unemployment is crucial because this issue impact people well-being. Effective social programs, more job opportunities, and great social awareness can help reduce social problems. Thank you.
If I become the Minister of Social Affairs, I will make sure that social aid is given to people who really need it. And in my opinion, a Minister of Social Affairs should help society feel safe, cared for, and have a better future.